Welcome to Mindfulness Meditation Challenge Day 19th. Namaste, I'm Sneha, the founder of Stress Less with Sneha J. And today we are going to rewrite your bad day. All of us have bad days now and then, right? But generally what happens is that not everything in that day is bad. Sometimes it is just those few moments, but we carry them with us for so long that we make that whole day about that one bad moment and then we call it a bad day. So in this meditation, we are going to try and see how we can turn this bad day feeling around. Find your quiet space and let's get started. Make sure your back is straight, eyes closed. Slowly focus inwards. And notice your breath. Notice your breath coming in and out. By now you may have learned that nostrils is a good place to become aware of the breath. Now slowly bring to your awareness one of the recent bad days in your life. Maybe it was today, maybe it was a few days ago, maybe it was just yesterday. Let that feeling of bad day come in. Notice any changes in your heart. Maybe your heart starts beating faster. Maybe your palm starts sweating. Maybe you start feeling more anxiety or anger creeping inside of you. Maybe it is sadness or a need for approval or a disappointment. Whatever it is that you're feeling about this bad day, just notice. And as you become fully aware of the feelings and emotions that you're feeling because of this bad day, give yourself the compassion that you need at this moment for that day. You can say some kind things to yourself like, "This was a bad moment and it hurt. This event caused me so much pain. I never thought this could go so far." Keep giving yourself compassion. Notice a few moments just before this happened. Or maybe after, that were not so bad. maybe even pleasant and joyful. Bring to your awareness this perfect, joyful moment. If you can't find a joyful moment, find a neutral one. Become completely aware of this joyful or a neutral moment that you were having the same day. Now you can tell that this day was not 100% bad, maybe only 80%. And as you experience and revel upon the joy, see if more events drop in up from the same day that were not as bad either. Maybe you met some friends, maybe you had coffee, maybe you had some quiet downtime, maybe you went for a walk, maybe you spent time with your pet or reading a book. Just notice. Notice how your labeling of a bad day was not really about the whole day, but that particular moment where you felt like things didn't go your way or were wrong completely. And notice how our mind exaggerates and calls the whole day bad just because of one thing that we attach ourselves to. And when we attach to those negative things of that day, we forget the blessings of the positives of that day. So take this time to remember the positives of the day. And rewrite your day into a better one. Slowly, as you feel ready, you may open your eyes. Did you like this trick of switching over the bad day into a little better day than what it was before? Let me know in comments below of what you thought about this meditation. Was it easy for you to do or was it difficult? And register for the remaining 21 days of mindfulness challenge so you get these emails and videos in your inbox. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and ring the bell so you get the notifications each time I upload the YouTube video. Share this video with your friends. Thank you so much for watching. Namaste.